Unplug Yourself by Brenda Arledge. When you live by yourself and the chores start piling up, your spirit feels heavy. You look out the window to see the yard too high and the weeds taking over the flower bed, but you don't have the energy to tackle them. You remind yourself that everything can wait, and it usually does. Then you unplug from the pressures of society and sit a little longer, sipping on that cup of tea. You watch your fur babies play, knowing they don't care if the yard gets mowed or the dishes get done. They only want to kick back and have some fun. Maybe tomorrow you'll get motivated and tackle a few things. But today, you're taking a lesson from your cats. Living alone doesn't mean you have to do everything at once. It means you need to learn when to rest and when to rise.